Hello, this is Peer Learning Circle 5's presentation for the Creative Challenge. Our solution goes by the name Elke, but first, let's meet the team. In constructing our solution, three principal values were upheld. They were compassion, generosity, and empathy, and tied with our aims and desired impacts. Our mission resonates with that of S Groups, to positively affect communities on a global scale. However, for feasibility, we chose to focus on a particular community. We decided to focus on social issues involving visually and orally impaired people. Why? Firstly, we wish to alter the societal perception regarding these people. For too long, blind and deaf people have been regarded as inferior and helpless due to their disabilities, and that needs to change. Secondly, face-to-face communication has always been an issue, and we would like to facilitate these interactions through Elke, which will be explained in later slides. Thirdly, discrimination due to ignorance, bigotry, or other asinine reasons is still widespread, and if our solution could make people more aware of this, realization would be the first stage of resolving this multifaceted problem. What is Elke? Well, the name is derived from the inspirational Helen Keller, and it is an app that translates sign language into text or sounds, and vice versa. It simply requires a camera and Bluetooth connection. Compatible with Android and iOS, it can work across multiple devices.
Through our app, we aspire to bridge the gaps between the orally impaired, visually impaired, and those who aren't by facilitating communication between these groups. From an educational point of view, a more inclusive learning environment in school can be created, and integration becomes a much smoother process. As the communication barriers are gradually broken down, and the app will display pop-ups or videos that highlight various issues surrounding disabled people and what the public can do to help. We trust that users will become more socially aware of the difficulties faced by these people. While none of us are app developers, allow us to present to you an overview of how the app would work for those with oral impairments. First, the camera captures the hand motions made. The motions are then compared to the database, and then converted to either text or speech. For those with visual impairments, the sounds are then compared to the database. A signal is sent to the mini smartboard via Bluetooth connection, and a magnetic field is activated, raising certain dots to form words and/or numbers.
What set us apart from other ideas in regard to aiding sensorially disabled people is that it is a single app that caters to the two main types of sensory impairments. Our app utilizes haptic technology, which has been used in devices such as Greta Labs Tacit and Dot, the world's first Braille smartwatch. Where financial matters are concerned, for every purchase of this app, part of the profit will go to disability-related organizations such as Royal Society for the Blind and Deaf Australia. The remaining profit will be primarily spent on developing and marketing the app. In-app purchases are also available and include features such as a variety of typefaces, customizable save phrases so user can send a message with just a tap, and emojis.
In order to achieve our aims and desired impacts, these are our top 3 actions. The first step would be to employ application developers and designers. University students in the relevant courses could be incentivised by offering research scholarships. Collaboration with certain organisations is imperative in funding the development of the app, reaching out to our target audience, as well as raising public awareness through campaigns and events such as sign language workshops. No product can be advertised successfully without a PR team. Thus, a superb PR personnel has to be formed to devise an effective and efficient marketing strategy.
On behalf of the team, we hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.